Seamus Reid. I'm a joinery tutor for this last 16 years in Springvale, Ireland. Started here in 2005.
Hi, my name's McDonald and I've only started here 3 months ago, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
I enjoy the trade first of all. I enjoy working with wood, doing carpentry and joinery. And I wanted to pass on the knowledge and skills that I've gained throughout my lifetime to others.
Although I've been a woodworker from 18, I about around 10 years ago did my teaching diploma, and I really take great enjoyment of working with kids with special needs and different learning needs.
So the students come in from the skills and they can do a OCN qualification. They can get a couple of units in joinery or bricklaying or painting, and they come in here and to achieve a certificate. And once they get the certificate after a year or two, depending on their rate of progress, they can move up into a level 1 NVQ in carpentry and joinery. It's the technical certificate inside, and depending on how well they go there, they can actually go up until they can progress to a level 2 NVQ diploma with possible chances of a job.
Yeah, currently there's lots of jobs in Northern Ireland. There's a real skills shortage with tradespeople. So there's lots of opportunities for on-site joinery, workshop, bench joinery, and even different jobs such as film sets and other local businesses who have lots of job opportunities at the moment.
Springvale has highly trained staff, well motivated, and it's a very welcoming place to come, so it is, and has a good rate there for placements, so it has out in the public sector.
We have some great facilities, especially the joinery workshop, and we have some great staff who will support you every step of the way.